Hello, thank you for joining me on Homestead in the Woods. My name is Catherine, and I just wanted to welcome you to the channel and invite you to like, subscribe, and share if you find some things here that are interesting and you would like to see more. It's a beautiful, sunny, early spring here in northern Michigan. We have a lot of bugs out. I did try to film this in the woods, and the bugs were so bad I'm standing right in front of the house now. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do this here, but we have a lot of beautiful scenery around us. The wildlife are just innumerable. And some of the things that I'll be talking about in future videos will have to do with that wildlife and some of the interactions that we have with them, particularly with the beavers who have a tendency to make the most beautiful dams on the backside of this property, but unfortunately also will flood us out of our home and barn if we don't keep it under control. So that's one of the challenges that we do have here on our homestead. The other one is, while it's sunny that you can see right here, the area that I have available to grow has a lot of shade. And so one of my challenges is going to be growing the fruits and vegetables that we love and need to eat and store and can and that kind of thing. It's hard to grow them in this kind of shade, and so that is going to be one of my challenges. So please join me in that, especially if you have a similar type of situation at your home where you are trying to grow with a lot of shade. One of the other things I'm going to be covering is some of the cooking and canning processes that I do. I will share the quilting and sewing that I do. And there's always something interesting going on here on the homestead, so I hope you enjoy the video that follows this and you will decide to like and share and continue this journey with us. Thank you, and I do hope to see you on the next video.